Okay, so this is the situation. We get the drag link, as many of you know, comes apart because this pulls right out. So I've already taken it apart. 15mm on the bottom, adjustable on the top. Take this off. You can leave the top part connected. And what I'm going to do is cut a little piece of PVC pipe, 1/2-inch PVC with a slot in it, and a little pipe clamp, hose clamp on each end. Kind of tough to do here with one hand, but what I'm going to do is the ball still fits in here. It's just worn out, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, I'm going to do this with two hands when the camera's off. I'm going to feed this into the slot. Like that. Hose clamp on the other side, obviously. But this 1/2-inch PVC is going to fit right over into this drag link. But I'm going to do this with the ball installed. I wish I had 3 hands to be able to show you this, but you'll get the idea once it's done. Alright, I got the drag link back on the ball. Pushed it on in place. Got the hose clamp ready to go over here. I'm going to take this little cut sleeve and I'm going to try to use the fresh end down here. I use the mangled end first so it's not near the connection.